You're having this question to solve for x given this. How can we solve it? Let's use a strategic method. We have, first of all, take this x square outside. This is common everywhere. You have x square into 1, okay, plus x plus 1 all over x plus 1, all that square equals to 3. At this level, I will do the LCM. Okay, then what? You have x square into x plus 1, all that square, plus 1 all over x plus 1, all that square equals to 3. Proceeding with this, I will do what again? I will divide. I will expand this numerator to have x square into x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1. And combining these two, we are going to have 2 here all over x plus 1, all that square equals to 3. At this other level, I proceed, we are having what? I separate this into two different forms. So I have x square, okay? Here is x square, sorry. To have x square all over x plus 1, all that square, okay? I see, I have on the other side plus 2x plus 2 all over x plus 1, all that square equals to 3. Doing this now, you will see that this can be further moved to what? 2 into x plus 1, okay? Such that this man and this man will cancel out, and this other one will cancel out. We are going to be having now x square into x square all over x plus 1, all that square, plus 2 into what? 1 all over x plus 1 equals to 3. Okay, that's what we are having at this point. Now at this point, we are going to open this bracket to have what? X to the power 4 all over x plus 1, all that square, plus 2 into x square all over x plus 1 equals to 3. Okay, we can take this as ones. Okay, we can try to do that. This one should repeat itself here, so it should be like y square plus y plus 2y, something like this. Okay, how can we do that then? We can just take this square outside to have x square all over x plus 1, all that square. You see that if you open back, we are going to have x to the power 4 all over x plus 1 square plus what? 2 into x square all over x plus 1 equals to 3. Hence, at this point, you can say that x square all over x plus 1 is equal to m. Okay, such that we should just copy it here, such that we are going to have what? M square plus 2m plus minus 3 equals to 0. At this point, you can see factorize this, you have m square, a number that will multiply, minus m plus 3m minus 3 equals to 0. You add this, you have 2m, you multiply this, you have minus 3. Nice. How we factorize? You have m now outside into m minus 1 plus 3 into m minus 1 equals to 0. Hence, we are going to have m minus 1 and m plus 3 equals to 0. Hence, m is equals to 1 or m is equals to minus 3. Hence, we come back to have what? X square all over x plus 1 is equals to 1 or x square all over x plus 1 is equals to minus 3. That are the two things we're going to be having. We can then continue here. Hope you understand at the point. Okay, continue here. We are going to have what? For this first one, we have x square equals to what? X plus 1 by multiplying. Hence, we are going to have x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. And for the second one, we are going to have x square is equals to minus 3 x minus 3. That will be x square plus 3x plus 3 equals to 0. That is it. Because multiply. Hence, we are going to simplify this to have x is equals to what? Minus 1 using the formula plus minus 1 square. Okay, minus 1 square will be 1 minus 4 into 1 1 into minus 1 will be plus 4. Square root of this all over. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1 plus minus root 5 all over 2. That is one value of x. This other side, we are going to use the same method. X is equals to what? Minus b 3 plus minus. Okay, here is negative 1 here. We make an error. Negative 1 here is here will be positive. There is negative b. Okay, negative or negative. You have 1 here. Sorry. In this other case, you have negative 3 plus minus square root of 3 squared, that is 9, minus 4 AC. What's our A1? C is 3. Hence, all over 2. Hence, our x is equal to what? Minus 3 plus minus 9. This is 12. That is 9 minus 12. That will be minus 3 square root of this all over this one. Hence, x here is equal to minus 3 plus minus. You know that root of negative 3 is what? I root 3. Same thing as this all over 2 from complex number. Since root of negative 1 is equal to I, that is root of negative 3 is equal to what? Root of negative 1 times root of 3. And we come out with this. Hence, these are the two values of x. Actually, x being this and x being this. X are fitted here. We're going to have 3 at the end. Thanks for watching the video. La, 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 la.